Leo. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And this reading is for you if your sun, moon, rising, or Venus is in the sign of Leo. Also, this reading is from 5th of April till 20th of April. So, for these 15 days, for these 2 weeks, let's find out through Oracle and Tarot what is it that Leo, your sun, moon, rising, Venus, if it is at all into Leo sign, what is it these 2 weeks going to bring in? So you are a fire sign, and the very first card is from my Shaman Oracle, and that is the Wild Woman. So she dances her own rhythm. She is in her own authentic self. So you are being called upon to shine your light, dance in your rhythm, shine, be your authentic self, be yourself. Do not pretend to be somebody else. Truth should be the true you. Okay, express yourself, be visible to people. So Wild Woman is that. Okay, dancing is something, some sort of rhythm I'm catching up here. In case you are into some dance form or some sort of music or something, express yourself through some of your creative art. People need to see you through. And then comes the, okay, from my symbol augury card, the card which is defining you at this moment is indecisiveness. So probably you're thinking too much, you're simply not able to do what you really want to do, and you are torn into two different directions, and that is what is being indecisive mean. So that is why you have to be in your authentic self, be as wild as possible, live your dreams, shine your brightest, show your true self, express your true self. Let's see what more do we have, what indecisiveness are we talking about, what are you caught up into, Leo. See to it. Probably you're suppressing yourself, and in these 15 days time you have to become more expressive, creative, and just be you, shine, Okay, yeah, healer of the ages. So healer of the ages is like, I think dance, some sort of dancing, some sort of music, some sort of shaking of your body will release a lot of your energy. Okay, it's not silent yoga or some sort of meditation. It is basically some sort of physical activity that will shake you up, just like dancing, just like which uses the whole body. Each movement of any sort of dancing requires all the muscles and bones of the body, your head, your brain, your mind, your soul, your body has to be in sync. So that kind of creative art you have to perform. Aerobics is yet another form you can go ahead with. Healers of the Ages is the card which is talking about this sort of being the original you will help you to get out of this indecisiveness and heal you from the age-old problem and the patterns that you're entertaining in your life. So you are the one who can heal yourself just by being the authentic self. So just be the authentic self. Let's see what Tree of Life Tarot, which is based on ancient Indian scripture called Vedas, is telling us. Okay, so your older patterns needs to break, and you are coming out of your indecisiveness. And comes the Purusha or the Emperor. He is number 4. So this month of April is definitely very, very crucial for you, because here you are actually healing some sort of your karmic patterns that you have been entertaining for ages, for lifetime after lifetime. And just because you get caught up into this indecisiveness wherein you don't act from your authentic self and from your pure energy that you are yourself, you're pretending to be somebody else. You may be under somebody's pressure, or you're simply just trying to be somebody else. And here Emperor comes in and tells you that it is a divine masculine energy which sets a healthy boundary. It knows what life is, what the experiences of life is. He has a balanced masculine energy of action, decision. So it is just bang opposite to indecisiveness card. So it is actually saying that heal yourself, be true, the true you, have that masculine energy of standing for your own self, because abundance, this is also a card of abundance, this is also a card of healing, for healing and long-term healing and breaking older patterns. Okay, so manifest that masculine energy. Okay, let's go ahead with some tarot. Let's see what tarot has to say. What is the decision and where are you caught up, Leo? 6 for this month is definitely very, very, very important for you, Leo. Page of Swords, be online, be at your defense, have that mental clarity, have that curiosity to learn new things. Pages are normally learners, they are young energy wanting to learn something. Page of Swords is normally a communication, mental strength, finding out something for somebody, and probably you're going to find out about your own self. And it is also at defense, it has a sword in the hand in the most upright way, so that it is actually trying to defend itself, learn something, and wanting to start something. Then comes the King of Swords. So your Page of Swords turns into King of Swords, and then Purusha. So a lot of male energy is here. A lot of face cards are there, and a lot of male energy is here. Healer of the Ages, Purusha, Page of Swords, King of Swords. King of Swords is a very practical energy. It is an energy of you cannot lie in front of King of Swords. King of Swords is like courage, is like cutting through all the negatives, and this is me. It is more I, me, myself, and a mental headstrong energy, just like the Purusha, having that healthy boundary around you. So okay, then comes the Justice. This caught my eye. Major Arcana, Justice. So karma balancing happening here. Definitely healing is your way. You're healing a karmic pattern. I just said that healing of the Healer of the Ages says that some older karmic patterns, you will be out of it. Probably you get caught up into this indecisiveness more often, and you're being asked, Leo, to get out of it and dance into your own rhythm. Be the true you that you are. Okay, shine brightly. Be seen. Be visible. Karma getting balanced for you. Do not take decisions from the angle of emotions, or your lower self, or some fear or something. Take decisions just like the King of Swords, Justice, and Purusha, or the Emperor will take. That decision comes from that mental clarity about self and about the purpose that you are here for truth. Very practical energy, very intelligent energy this is. So don't take, there's a indecisiveness between emotions and practicality here, and take actions from truth and practicality angle, not from the emotions. Two of Swords, my goodness, a lot of you caught up into your head. You have to defend, you have to block unnecessary energy. You're trying to avoid something, but don't do that. It is time. I understand karmic patterns do, breaking some karmic patterns is definitely a bit painful, bit strenuous, but don't avoid that. It's time for doing that, because justice is about to be served and you'll be through with it. Okay, so these 15 days are definitely overcoming some karmic pattern, because of which you normally get stuck up into your, I think mostly it is relationship. A lot of male energy though it is, So probably you're acting very female, emotionally, maybe getting and subduing your action part or masculine part, self-respect part, logic and intelligence. So work towards that. Block unnecessary energy and come to a decision. This is also indecisiveness, thinking in two different directions, two of swords, and being split in, having a split a thought about a situation. So Page of Swords and King of Swords are here, and Justice are here, and then comes the Hierophant finally, that have faith, things are turning out to be good, but take that decision from the most grounded self of yours, not from the emotional self. Okay, so that is what a lot of masculine energy is around, guiding you through. So divine masculine is that is what Emperor is, divine masculine. Hierophant is also that, some high priest. Okay, King of Swords, Justice, so healer, Hierophant, Page of Swords. So yeah, so I think you'll be out of this indecisiveness only if you dance in your own rhythm and you don't take decisions from your lower self or emotional self, rather from the angle of faith, trust, respect, and truth. A karmic pattern is about to be broken. So congratulations and all the best for this, Leo. One more card wants to come out for you, and that's World. It is completion. It is number 21. It is actually completion. It's a major arcana which is saying that whatever cycle, karmic cycle you have come onto, you started sometimes back in any of your lifetime, is getting over with the arrival of justice and the world. Okay. Okay. That's wonderful, isn't it? A lot of major arcana is there, so a lot of soul working is there. So listen to your soul, listen to your inner voice, not to the external voice, and do not come under any of the pressures. So that's wonderful. Congratulations and all the best, Leo. Please take care of yourself. Do let me know in the comment box. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Like this video and share this video with your loved ones. And yeah, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.